How's it, guys? Yeah, sorry for a long time since the last update. So today I'm gonna show you how I fix this leaking petrol cap or gas cap, as you might call it. This specific one is of my 1970 C10 truck, and it's a ventilating gas cap which causes the issue. And here you can see I've tried to add a second layer of rubber, but the gaps still was an issue. And the thing is, yeah, the ventilating system just didn't work. I've taken it apart once already, but the rubber is now too thick for it to actually go back on, so I'm gonna switch out the rubber. So things you will actually need is a piece of rubber. Now I'm going to use some old inner bicycle tube. I'll see how it holds up. A pair of scissors, some multi-purpose lubricants, because a few of these pieces might actually get stuck, and some general tools, and obviously the key for the gas cap. In order to disassemble this, you have to first push out the pin from one side that's holding the spring in place. Now there's quite a bit of force on the spring, so I'm just gonna press down on it so that it releases a bit, and there you can see start coming out. Take your pliers, grab it, and there you go. I've got the spring off. Second part is this little part, which actually locks the gas cap. Now I think I'm just going to try and bend it a bit, because currently it's a bit difficult to actually lock. Then we've got this piece here, which essentially just holds it basically holds the rubber in place and provides as a guide for where exactly on the gas tank neck you will actually place the cap, and yeah, the rubber itself. Now, like I said, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using a piece of old bicycle tubing. Now, I don't think it's thick enough, so I will have to actually use 2 layers. Let's see, I think this would be about enough for 2 rings, and then just cut it open, and there we go. Now I can use this as a template. Let's see, sure, probably something to mark it with, but it seems the lubricant's doing the trick, so I can actually see the circle properly. And just carefully cut it out. Yeah, I have no idea what can actually write on rubber in order to properly make a well, yeah, take something and try to mark it. There we go. Yeah, so you can see the inner ring. Not gonna take any chances by cutting it double. There. Not sure if you can still see the mark on the camera, but I can still actually see where I marked it. Okay. So let me get the second one cut. Pull back together. So first let's measure up the thickness. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same. Hope I got it on camera for you guys. Yeah, pretty much the same. Now this, you can actually see these two little notches that are actually going to fit precisely over those two over there. Just how it's designed. So we've got that, and then we've got the okay. First, the big metal part goes on that specific, on the specific marked edges where it fits correctly. Then this piece goes on, and the issue I used to have was actually that this spring actually just went through this piece. because of very high tension. Now, what I actually did was, at the moment, actually just took a pair of pliers and I just bent it a little bit more open, just a tiny bit, so that now when it presses on there, it won't slip through. Or at least not as easily, because if it does, I'll have to start again. Okay, so let's just line all of that up and press this into here where the two sides meet. And yeah, let's see, before that you can actually see the hole over here, where the pin is going to go through to keep everything in place. So line that up, press it down and put the pin through. Let's see, you have to keep it pressed down pretty hard. Okay, that's fine. And done. So now, if you had issues with any of that, just use a bit of your lubricant spray. I'm just gonna spray it a bit to make sure it opens and closes easily. There we go. There. Yeah, gonna put this back on my truck, and I'll let you guys know if I still experience some oil spilling, but the thing is, now when you lock it, this is held down by the spring, and yeah, that's how the cap will actually vent. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.